god, this is crazy! Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, it is raining. It's actually a thunderstorm to be exact. But you know what? I have a day off and nothing can stop me from making a fun, exciting vlog from New York City. I mean, it's a summer race, so it's not bad. Maybe not a great idea. We are here, Isamu Noguchi Foundation. Don't mind my sweaty face, it's so hot in New York. It's also very humid. So the Noguchi garden indeed felt like Japan because it was insanely humid. This day also proved me that everything is for the better. You know, I was planning to go to Uptown, to visit the same places that I've been before, and I'm sure it would be great. But look at this, the day turned out even better than I thought. I discovered new things. A really wonderful day today. Noguchi Museum was beautiful. It has a very calming, relaxing vibes, a very Japanese atmosphere. I don't know much about the sculptures and everything, but I liked it. I had a good time. Isamu Noguchi was a very famous Japanese-American sculptor in the 20th century, and he opened up this museum in 1980. It was really cool to see this. I wanted to visit this place for a while and it was pretty amazing. Especially, I must admit that the garden was super beautiful. It had a very calm, relaxing Japanese atmosphere. Birds singing, kids screaming on the ground. Right now I'm at the Rainy Park. It's very peaceful, super beautiful, has an amazing view. Like, what a gem! I'm so happy I finally came to Long Island City and exploring it. I feel like I'm a tourist in my own city. I think I probably will have a dinner at the Japanese restaurant around here. Since I'm in a Japanese kind of mood today, I'm also thinking about taking ferry back. That will be very cool. I love taking ferry. It's such a great transportation in New York, especially in the summer. The wind is blowing, you have a beautiful, amazing view, and I will try to take a ferry when there's sunset time. So guys, we will enjoy a beautiful scenery of New York City. Stay tuned. So pretty. Well, I don't know if you guys can see this, but how this thing ended up over here. Mystery. Long Island is a very interesting place. Look, on one side it's a bushwick vibes, another side it's fancy vibes. It's very interesting. There is no one on the streets, no cars, no people. Long Island. You're hiding something. I'm really sorry that you have to watch my sunset from the train, not from ferry as I promised. But one thing I can promise that was very beautiful. Every sunset in New York City is gorgeous. The reason why I couldn't take a ferry is because I'm meeting my friends right now. I'm going for a drink to a super cool, iconic place, a Japanese bar, Angel Share. They having a pop-up at the Hotel Venti. So it's gonna be super, super nice. Good timing.
Oh my god! This is. I didn't know you have a. Oh no! She put the drink in.
Would you like to say hi?
Oh my god, I'm gonna be in.
Yes!
Hello! Hello!
Thank you for watching the Ira's YouTube. My name is Koji. Very nice to meet you. Please subscribe in here, okay? I'm sure we're gonna see you in the city, and please say hello to me too. Bye bye.